Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a super simple and easy guide for you how to reboot your iPhone. Whether you're experiencing a glitch, a frozen screen, or just want to refresh your device, we've got you covered. In just a few quick steps, you'll have your iPhone running smoothly again. So, let's dive right in and make your iPhone feel brand new. There are two methods to reboot your iPhone. Let's move to the first method. Click on Settings. Scroll and click on General. From here, scroll to the bottom and click on Shutdown. Swipe this button to reboot. Let's move to the second method. Press the volume up and power button at the same time and this screen will appear. Swipe to shut down. And there you have it, folks, a quick and hassle-free way to reboot your iPhone. We hope this tutorial was a lifesaver for you. If you have any questions or want more handy tips and tricks, leave us a comment down below. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and as always, stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.